OLED is widely regarded as the apex of today's smartphone screen tech, so Huawei's decision to go with a curved AMOLED display on the Porsche design Mate RS is welcome. So too is the QHD resolution. Clocking in at 1440 by 2880 pixels, it delivers a pixel density, aka sharpness, of 538p. This further cements the Mate RS smack bang in the middle of the Samsung Galaxy S9 family when it comes to screen size, tech and sharpness. Its aspect ratio however is slightly different to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus at 18:9. With the S9s clocking in at 18.5:9, the Mate RS's screen is slightly squatter. As for quality, the default screen mode is vivid and this capitalizes on all things OLED, imbuing on-screen content with all the zing and pizzazz of a Pride Parade float. Unlike Samsung's adaptive display, Huawei's doesn't augment the experience depending on what you're doing with the screen, so you might find yourself opting for the more subdued normal mode if it's all a bit too 24/7 carnival for you. Also of note, this screen gets bright, just as bright as the Galaxy S9 and Huawei P20 Pro, so will be no problem to see clearly, even in direct sunlight. As a result, it's safe to call it Huawei's best screen to date.